Hello! Today I'm going to attempt to make lemon chicken. So what I have is following a recipe from the website. What I have is garlic, shallots, lemon, chicken leg, salt, and what's the other thing I have to put? Oh, some sugar, and alright, I'm going to use olive oil, which is a lemon olive oil. Okay, so I'm going to start slicing up the shallots and onions first, and then half the lemon and get the lemon juice. Yep, let's do this. Okay, so I have already prepared all the necessary ingredients. So the chicken leg, the sliced garlic, sliced shallot, olive oil, and half a lemon juice. So according to the recipe, I would have to fry the onion with 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and then I would have to remove the onion from the pan and then add the chicken to the pan and fry them with the remaining olive oil until it's cooked through. Then I'll add the other items in. Then we are done. So not sure whether it will work, but let's do it. Back to video because I want to comment that this is my first time frying onions or shallots, and it's so stingy to the eye. Oh my god. And I don't know how long should I fry it for, so I just assume that it has to be brown, maybe. Pan is still burned, but never mind. Looks like it's almost cooked. I think it's the problem of the pan. Look at this. Ugh. I have no choice. I wanted to buy chicken breast, but all the chicken breast is not on sale. So I only got this chicken leg from US. taste. I'm going to taste it. I'm looking through the... Oh, it's so hot. Just do this. I don't really know how to explain how it tastes like. Something tastes wrong here. Okay, anyway, not that. It's not really successful. But I'll keep this as a record.